Hi everyone, welcome to TunesKit channel. Does Siri not activate, not hear your voice, or simply stop working on your iPhone? In this video, we'll show you several effective ways to fix Siri and get it working again. Method 1. Check Siri settings. First, make sure Siri is properly enabled. Go to Settings. Siri, tap Talk to Siri. Turn on Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. Go back and allow Siri when locked if needed. Enter screen passcode to enable. Tap Siri response, choose prefer spoken response. Siri will always respond to you with speech. If the feature is already on, try turning it off and back on to refresh the settings. Method 2. Check internet connection. Siri requires an internet connection to work. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. If the connection is weak, try switching networks or turning airplane mode on and off to reset it. Method 3. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Sometimes Siri may not respond because your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device, such as headphones or a car system. Your voice input might be routed to that device instead of the phone's microphone. Go to Settings. Select Bluetooth. Tap the I button next to a device you want to disconnect. Choose Disconnect for a temporary release, or forget this device if you want to prevent it from reconnecting. Method 4. Use TunesKit iOS system recovery. If Siri still isn't responding, the issue may be caused by a deeper system error. In this case, you can use TunesKit iOS system recovery. Install the software, connect your iPhone with a USB cable. Choose iOS system repair. Click Start, select standard repair to fix your iPhone without losing data. Next, download the firmware package for your iPhone. When the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. After the repair, Siri should work normally again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.